have the commodity segment that we're looking at right now. Manisha is with us. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're tracking today?
Sonia, I'm looking at the metals as a sector, and this is going to be a second weekly decline that many of the metals are really posting for this one as well. So just to get the report card on your screens here, we are looking at copper prices trading at a one-month lows, and we have seen prices decline by 2%. Steel and iron ore prices are trading at a two-month lows with 2 to 5% of a decline coming in for these as well. The other metals also are trading in the negative, whether it's about nickel, which has been an underperformer with nearly 5.5% of decline coming in. The less declines really came in for aluminum and zinc, where you are looking at 1 to 1.5% of a cut in any case there. Well, the strong US dollar has continued to wait. This is the third straight week that you are looking at the dollar index trading at above 102. That has been weighing on dollar-denominated commodities. The second is the weak global economic data, whether it has been from Europe or Chinese number, the trade data or the inflation, rather deflation numbers that came in, all of that has led to profit-taking coming in for this sector. When you look at copper, while we have seen the Chinese imports decline by nearly 10% for the month of July, the overall China copper inventories are down 15% in the previous week. That should have lent some support, but we haven't seen that come into the markets. In case of other metals, when you look at zinc, well, the global demand for refined zinc is expected to gain up by nearly 1.4%. That is the view coming in from S&P Global. Is the reason you haven't seen that kind of a decline in zinc as you have seen in other metals. For zinc as well, while the consumption continues to increase, the production hasn't gained up so much. So zinc is one of the better performers there. When you look at aluminum as well, here too the demand has been strong. China has imported 10.7% in the previous month. And as far as production for aluminum goes in Europe or China, because of rationing, we still are looking at the production on the weaker side. So that is still supportive. So when you look at the overall sector, even as we are trading in the weakness, copper, zinc, aluminum are perhaps the metals to keep an eye on. These have been trading comparatively on the higher side.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that is commodities in focus. Well, the Nifty is